What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be going to a car meet out in Houston. So as you guys know, I'm based out of San Antonio. It's going to be a 3-hour drive this morning. It's pretty early in the morning, but let's hope it goes well. I'm going to take you guys along for the road trip and see how things go. I'm picking her up right now, and it's like dead as hell in this neighborhood. And again, it's like 5 in the morning, so there's like no cars around. Nobody's on the roads right now. Everybody's probably fucking still sleeping. So yeah, but they got their Christmas decorations up. That's pretty nice. This house next to me knows what's up. They got some Christmas lights on the top. They do too. The car's down there. There's one on the left down there as well. So yeah, at least they're decorating for Christmas time. That's pretty cool. Hey, how you doing? Guys, look at all the Buc-ee's merch. There's so many pillows and shit here. But yeah, we stopped at Buc-ee's real quick. Get your coffee. Coffee! Get your coffee, baby. I don't think they have Starbucks, babe. Okay, we're gonna leave Buc-ee's now. It's only like 7 o'clock. I guess we've been driving for like 60 something miles, 70. So yeah, hopefully we can get there at a good time, and we can hopefully find good parking over there. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We made it here safely to Houston. It was like a 3-hour drive, but as you can see, the meet's popping. There's a good amount of cars. We got my car. We got a GR86 next to it. We got some Foresters down there. They're right-hand drive. Supra to my right. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Are you happy we made it here in one piece?
Shut up.
Would you like a receipt?
So the event's going pretty well so far. We're just chilling. Took a lot of photos. I talked to some other photographers and videographers here. There's a guy walking around with a gimbal, doing some crazy work. So yeah, it's going pretty well so far. Hope you guys are doing good.
Babe, show them which one you like. Show which sticker you like. Find the one you like. Find the one you like. That one? Or that one? Which one you like more?
Oh, wait.
That one? Horrible.
They got some bomb coffee. It's still
What's
early,
creepy?
so I know
Do you guys see it
Oh
yet?
my god.
You guys see it?
No.
Yeah, that's me at your door if you don't hit the subscribe button. That's me at your door if you don't hit the subscribe button. Okay, so we're doing ice cream part 2 because she needs ice cream, and every single time we go to an event, she has to have ice cream. Horrible. Babe, play that. You can win. Play that one. Play that one. Come on. Ice cream. She's got her ice cream. Yes. Absolutely. Oh, yes.
so, but he is going to be tomorrow at the game if you want to try that out. And again, of course, always use Big Event, hashtag Big Event 14 for any pictures you're taking today. We're going to keep it going. Gilman Subaru, Big Event 14. Let's go.
Alrighty guys, I found a white 86 over here next to that WX shot earlier. Oh, yeah, I guess that works. Alright guys, we just got done with the event. We just gotta run a couple errands in Houston, then we're gonna head home. But yeah, it was super fun, got a lot of pictures, met a lot of cool people. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a good day.